This is for the ladies.
Don't be scared now. Sunday out this seat. Get your ass a drink. You better grab a seat.
You could bring my muse. You could bring my muse. You could bring my muse. First, let's just get this straight. You're just a name, but this just may be something you need to understand. It's a different day, but you may just come and hang. Cause I may need you to get down on the floor, do exactly what I say. If you catch me in my zone, it may be a lucky day, but don't get out of control, cause I might lose my patience with you. Could somebody please tell me what a man try to be something they can never be? Cause us women are a totally different category. You won't believe how I can be, but you may see, cause you could be my muse. You could bring my muse. Mama always told me not to need a man. The one thing I should know is that I have the upper hand. And if I do indulge in showing him my plans, the one thing he should know is I can also wear the pants with my fucking heels on, looking like a real strong woman. Any daddy would be proud to say I'm here. You just stepped into the kill zone. I just keep it real, have you calling me a daddy? I just tell it like it is, and I think it's funny, cause men try to be something they can never be. Cause us women are a totally different pedigree. You won't believe how I can be, but you may see, cause you could be my muse. Oh, yeah, alright. You could be my muse. You could be my muse.